Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to another Stock Talk daily analysis. I'm going to be covering a couple stocks that I've been going with, playing with today, and stocks that I think are going to be doing good for the next couple of days. I think gold is a great buy right now. This one also that I kind of went in today. Only went up 1%, but it is gold. And has been super consistent. Another stock is Apple, Netflix, Microsoft, AMD, SE, CRWD, Square, SQ, and finally Tesla. I'm gonna cover them all really quick. I'm gonna start with gold. Gold, since I already touched up on it. Gold is super simple. It has been trading tremendously. It went from 171 to 183, where it is right now. You can tell like this is a very easy pattern. This is why I picked gold. You can tell that this is too high, this is too low. So as long as you trade between those lines, you are going to definitely be making money. So I bought gold around here, and I sold here, and then I bought it again over here. So I'm holding gold for tomorrow. I think gold is just gonna keep going up, no matter how the economy goes. Gold is always a solid buy, especially when you have days where everything is just red. Gold is always a good buy. My second stock is Apple. Again, like I said before, Apple is under the support line, as I've mentioned before many times. Uh, Apple did not go over this line, meaning that most likely it will go back down to 320 range. That's what I'm predicting. I am not buying Apple. I'm not even touching it because there's two things that could happen. Apple could go back up to the zero line, which is not looking good right now. It's just today should have been the day that should have happened, or Monday or Tuesday, nothing happened. So we'll see what happens Wednesday and Thursday. If this does not meet this line, we're gonna definitely be dropping to 320. Just that's a very easy analysis right here. Netflix. Wow. So Netflix, I had Netflix in the morning, and I thought it was gonna go up. But let me just show what I have going on and the reason I sold in the morning. I sold this stock at literally 9:30. The second the stock market opened, I was like, no, this is not going up. So I have this orange line. This is my support line. I thought this was gonna hit this white line, but it broke under this orange line, which I knew immediately that this was um, not gonna hold, and it did drop all the way down to 488. It went back up. It was over for a little bit, 495, and here we are again at 488. So Netflix, I'm out for now. This just became when it's this far out from any lines. I like to be sure what I'm trading, just like gold. I know what I'm trading. This is very predictable. But Netflix, a little unpredictable right now. I would stay off it till we hit either a bottom or top support line. It's just right now, it's right in the center. But we did cross that blue line, so most likely, hopefully we can go up to 507. It just doesn't seem like it wants to hold right now. Microsoft. So Microsoft still, it really wanted to hit this line and it just missed it, which means it's gonna drop. And just like that, it did. Microsoft dropped all the way down to, and it broke also this support line, 202. Most likely, we're going to be seeing 200 again in the very soon, unless we go back up over the blue line. But again, we have this support line up here, so very unlikely that Microsoft would go over 205. Most likely, this will go down. AMD. This stock has not been moving very much lately, ever since it broke out. This stock has just been bouncing up and down between here. This would have been a great buy if you buy it at the end of the day at 4 o'clock. But honestly, it's not really moving too much. It just wants to stay where it is. So we'll keep an eye on that. I think AMD is a great stock. Most likely we'll hit this again. We'll go from 67 to 69, and we want to break. That's what we want to do. We just want to break this top line, and hopefully we do it very soon. The next stock is SE. There's a couple requests that I have for the stock, so I'm just gonna cover it really quick. SE. Oh, actually, SE. I actually traded today. I bought somewhere around here. What was it, 9:30? I bought it nice and early when it was hitting this orange line, which I knew was a great buy. And then I kept it all the way up to here. It hit this line right here, and that's when I should have sold. It went down to here, and then that's actually when I sold it, when I saw it dip under this orange line, and then I came back in at 115. So small profit taken there. I just, you always want to take profit. You don't want to hold on to, to things too long, because, if you know things like it's gonna drop, then you can sell it and rebuy the better rate, which I did. So I am holding SE for tomorrow. I'm also holding gold for tomorrow, and the last stock I'm holding is CRWD. I'm holding the stock for tomorrow. I should have sold it earlier. I kind of did a mistake. I should have sold it honestly when it was up here today. This stock just went. I initially bought it here today. I should have sold it somewhere up here, but I decided to to hold on and make a mistake right there. So I am holding to CRWD. I think it's just gonna go right off this and go back up. I want to look somewhere between selling at 111, 112. Hopefully tomorrow we go over this line and we just keep going up. The next stock is Square. Square just broke this line. It broke this line. I think Square is going to head right down to 121, 120. It's just very simple. Unless we break this blue line, it might touch it, but I honestly don't think Square is going to keep going up. I think Square will definitely hit 120, 121 tomorrow or the next day. Tesla. Tesla does not want to go over this white line. It just does not want to do it. And every time it hits it, it just goes right back down. It hits it, goes right back down. Right now we're very low for Tesla. Most likely there's a chance we might recover, but I'm staying off Tesla. It's too unpredictable for me. I don't want to trade it. I want to say this, but this is the all-time low, 1160. If it breaks this blue line, which can happen very easily for Tesla, Tesla just goes crazy some days. You see like 10%. So who knows what's going to happen tomorrow? I definitely don't. This is definitely trending downwards, and if we see 1160, that's when I'll buy Tesla. I'll feel definitely more confident buying it. And that's all the stocks I've really been talking about. If you want to do any more stocks, let me know. That's just my analysis. But like I said, I think gold is definitely a good stock, a good option call to buy. Gold has been uptrending for a very long time. Look at this. This is just perfect. This is a beautiful chart. And as long as we stay above this blue line, we're good to go. It's just that's when you sell. It goes below this blue line, you sell. But if not, you just keep on holding the gold. It's a great stock. And as the especially when we have days that are just right like this, gold is usually gonna be going up. But thanks for watching. Oh, just one more thing before I end the video. I'm not sure if you guys trade Bitcoin, but Bitcoin had a huge jump last night. It went up all the way to 11,200. It's just a tremendous. It hit the top support line. But something to keep an eye on. Stocks like Mara and Ride have been going up for that reason. And if you guys do follow um, the chains for the Bitcoin, you would know that Mara and Riot trade directly off Bitcoin. So Mara had 20% increase today, and Riot had 5% increase, and it was way higher before. So it's just a couple of things to look for tomorrow and the next couple of days. Let me know if you like this video, and thanks for watching, guys.